Okay, now I want to make video. Do you agree?
Yeah, Shahid, brother. So you are now visible. Now
You
you are,
know, your video is like stucking. Yeah, yeah. You are visible. I think so. You should go out from your home. When you go out from your home, then Oh, you have started.
yeah. I have started, brother. I have started. Okay,
Okay,
brother.
okay.
Okay, brother. Could you tell me about yourself? Something.
Oh, of course. Why not? I will tell you about myself. So,
Hmm.
firstly, I would like to say my real name. My name is Shahid Ali, and I'm from Bihar, in a district of Siwan. Talk about my education. So, I'm in ninth class in a government school of my village, and this school is Hindi medium. And my hobbies are concerned. I like to play games like hockey and badminton. So, this is all about myself. And now I'm excited to know about you. So, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. I would love to tell you about myself. Yeah, as I mentioned, as you can see, my name is Sunny on your home screen. And yeah, I'm from Siwan district also, from Jira Devi village. Did you know first? Did you know earlier I'm from Siwan? I told about
No,
I
no.
told about me like I'm from Siwan earlier on in chatting.
Oh,
And
so
yeah,
you
I
are the
have seen
student.
so many videos of yeah, I have seen so many videos of yours on your YouTube channel. And yeah, you are doing so I so good thing. I'm just first I was talking to you, and yeah, I was very excited before this video call. And yeah, now I want to I just want to talk to you.
Oh, no, 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 don't hesitate yourself. Don't hesitate yourself.
Mhm.
I'm like your brother. Okay? Yeah.
Okay,
Keep keep on studying and keep on like learning English. Okay. So
of
now
course.
I want to ask you some questions. So would you like to tell? Hello?
Sahid, Sahid, am I audible to you?
Oh,
Sometimes it's network issue side. I think it's so many types of interruption are coming.
well,
Video. Yeah.
now it's going well.
Okay, yeah, it's going well. So where are you?
I
Are
was
you moving in the
asking.
garden or outside the home?
Yeah, I mean, you can say I'm in you can say I'm in garden. You know,
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
you can say like which thing you are looking in background. In my background, you can say this is bamboo tree.
Yeah.
You know, bamboo,
Yeah.
bass.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was asking you a question. I was asking to you question that how did you learn this language? What is the uses that how who motivated you to learn this language? Could you what do you tell me?
Yeah, of course, I'm self-motivated person. And recently, 2 months back, I started English learning, and at the initial stages, I was struggling so much. I was not able to speak a single line, but somehow I did so much hard work, and the hard work paid me off. And now, at least, I'm able to communicate. And yeah, I'm self-motivated person, and I inspired by itself. Nobody inspired me to learn it because I'm from English medium student. I'm English medium student. Childhood, so I knew that it is very important to learn it.
Oh, what is
Yeah,
happening, bro? So you have clicked on together mode
I
option.
don't know whether I don't know it's happening with by itself. Okay, okay.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. So tell me,
Hmm,
oh,
now it's good.
I know about yourself and I knew about your journey. So your journey, I can say very nice. I can say like this. Yeah.
Of course. 2 months back, recently I have started English learning, and it's just I'm doing hard work in order to get achieve some fluency. And I hope I will achieve my fluency, in very short time. Because the way I'm doing hard work in every area, like vocabularies. I'm just learning vocabularies. I'm trying to read books every day. Even I'm just talking on call every day with people. But first time
Oh,
I'm just talking on camera with you, and that's why I'm feeling agitation while speaking. So yeah, and you are
okay.
very Said, you are very cute. You are very cute. I think you are younger than me, but you
Yes,
are
yes.
my small brother, I can say.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I can like you can say me my
Yeah.
elder brother. because
You were in ninth class.
yeah,
Yeah, okay.
and I
You were
think so.
saying
You
something.
have
You were saying.
class. What did you say?
Continue. What were you saying? Something. Continue. You were saying
Oh,
something.
oh, I was saying that you tell me that I'm younger than you. Yeah,
Of course.
yeah. So this is I was saying. I think so,
Okay.
bro. This recording is going to like you can say, uh, like together mode. So how will I upload on my channel?
Brother, it is very fast conversation, and to upload this conversation, definitely we would love we would love to interact again. At some time, definitely, and some other time, definitely we will interact with each other, and that you can just record that video because this is first time. I'm not aware of too much of a Skype application about Skype application. That's why it's happening with me again and again. Yeah, but next time I hope it will be good, and we can just record our conversation. But I had so many questions to ask to you.
Oh,
I wanted to know, how do you get people's, like, how do you get partners to do conversation on video call? Because I have been searching since long time on Skype. I'm not able to get any partner. So could
okay,
you
okay.
tell me?
I will tell you. You know, I was, I'm thinking to make video that how can you make conversation like me? I want to make a video like this. You can say.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I will kinds of video I will make, but you are asking me this kinds of question. Then I will, we have to, we have to join in a group like you can say English group. You know, then you will find many people to learn. Initially day I was like you. You know, initially day
Mhm.
I was like, but you can say now I'm finding people to learn English to speak English like you can say.
Okay. Okay. So what is this channel name, Said? Because you are from my, I can say, my area. So you are just very comfortable to share our things with each other. So could you tell me about this channel,
Oh, why
Said?
not? I will tell you. I will tell you. My channel name is Shahid English Boy. I think so. You
No,
are
no, I
from my
know.
channel, yeah?
I know about your channel. I know about your channel, but I'm just asking about the channel on Skype where you get partners. You do conversation with them.
Okay, okay. I will join you. I will join you. Okay.
Of course, I please join me because it's very important for me. And I have been watching your videos since long time. Side, I have subscribed your channel, and I can say you are inspiring me to learn it. To learn English speaking. That's why you are very good boy. I can say that, brother. You are very better boy.
Oh, so you have gotten
I
motivation through me, yeah?
Yeah, definitely, Side. So, Side, when are you joining me on no in that group in which I can get partners with whom I can do practice, and definitely I would love to interact with you some other time so that we can record our videos and just can upload,
Oh,
because recently I've started a YouTube channel too. Yeah.
you know, this video I will also upload on my channel.
Oh, really? But it is
Yeah,
uh,
because
yeah.
I think so. If video is going like this together mode, so I will not upload. If video is going like which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, so I will
Hmm.
upload. You know,
Of course,
yeah, yeah.
of course.
So I think so. You have gotten motivation through me, and I want you want to like join on a group to speak with someone and speak with me. Yeah.
Of course, Sai.
Oh, so I will
It's my
join you
pleasure.
whenever I get time. Whenever I get time, free time. So I will
Hmm.
upload. I will join in our group.
Of course, Sahid, I think you should join me because it's very, important for me to, learn English speaking. And recently, I have started a YouTube channel too. So I just want to, upload conversation, my own English conversation with any partner, so that I can improve a lot. And yeah, and as well as I can just make some content for my YouTube channel. So definitely, it would be good if you'll join me in your channel.
Yes.
Hmm.
You know, when I was like you, even I am also. You can say even I was also like you. So, I was finding, I was thinking that how Jadoo and how all YouTubers are finding like this people, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
was
of course.
I was curious to know about that. But I can say that time I know all things about Skype, about all things that how other YouTubers are doing work on her on their YouTube channel. But I think so you are beginner, so I will join you in our group and definitely you will speak with someone, speak with anyone. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have seen Jadoo videos as no too, because he is he's very better speaker, but he speak very fast. I think
Yeah.
he never think about his pronunciation and his his way of speaking. He's just speaking very fast. I think it is very good. No, in the initial stages, I think he's doing very better, and somehow gradually he will be perfect. If once he can once he will be achieved his fluency, so thereupon he can just learn pronunciation and everything very easily. First thing is to achieve fluency in English speaking.
Yes, yes. I think so. Would you like to tell that how much I have improved my pronunciation, how much I have improved my English speaking? Could you tell?
uh, if I tell you, you are speaking very right. I think at the age of very at very little age, in very little age, you are just doing very great. In my areas, I think you are from Sivan, so you are aware of all of those things. Like in our district, there's nobody who can speak. 99% people are not aware of English speaking. So
Yes, yes, yes.
it is very big thing that you have taken a step and you have started in very early age. And if you'll continue it, for long time, then definitely you can achieve it, and you can be very very better, even better than a better speaker in your area. You can be like in
Yeah,
Sivan,
yeah.
so many teaching institutes are just so many teachers are running, and you can just be better than them. You can just open your own institute, and I have also desired to open my own institute of English speaking. And you are speaking
So,
right, you are speaking very good. Yeah, good.
okay. So thanks for appreciate me. Like you can say you are saying this. In Sivan, in our state, in our district,
Hmm.
some people are learning English, like us. Some people are learning English, you can say. And if I talk about like learners, co-learners, so
Hmm.
I'm also a learner, I'm also a co-learner and I'm improving myself. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
I have improved my pronunciation little bit. I have improved my pronunciation. So I want to ask you some question. I think so. You have completed your tenses. You have completed your basic level. So I would like to ask you some question like translate into English.
Yeah,
Could you
okay.
answer?
Yeah, I'm ready. You can ask me question, whatever you want.
Okay. So have you completed your tenses?
Yeah, of course. It was the very, very necessary thing, when I was trying to speak English. And definitely, I have command over tense. That's why I was just able to, communicate in very right way. And it is very necessary for a beginner to, complete tenses. It is very necessary, I would say.
Yeah. If you want to speak English, then you have to firstly you have to learn tenses. I have told in my
Yeah.
video. Say. So I'm
You
going
know,
to
it
ask
is,
you a question. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So
Continue. Continue.
it in English. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So चाहता हूँ.
Yeah. Could you repeat it again?
Oh, मैं जाता हूँ. How can you say in English?
I go.
Oh, ठीक. Like this is good.
Yeah.
Um, मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँ.
I have been going since morning.
Oh, you have completed like I can say. Okay,
Yeah, of
so मैं
course.
जा सकता हूँ.
Of course. Yeah. Could you repeat it again? Sorry, I did not catch it.
Oh, क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ?
क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ? Can I go?
Oh yes, definitely. This is good. Okay, so
Ask me
bro,
a
I
very
think
no. No, no, Saeed, I would like to tell you, ask me a very complicated question related to tense, and definitely I will answer you very right because I have this command over tense. I can say that.
If I, if I like, if I, West, like you can say, if I speak with you like this, I will on, you can say, I ask you only tenses question. My audience will, you can say, my audience will skip this video because
Of course.
when they know that, you are only like you were saying that he is also coaching only tenses like this. So just skip this video.
No,
I
no,
will if I got an alone time, I will ask you some questions. But I
of
will
course,
ask you.
Saeed.
But I
Saeed, I would
may
like to tell you one thing. Yeah, okay, continue.
oh मैं सुबह से टहल रहा हूँ. How can you say in English?
I have been walking since morning.
Yeah,
I
that's
have been
great.
walking since morning.
Yeah. So I have forgotten your name. What is your name?
Sunny Giri.
Yeah, yeah, Sanigiri. Yeah. Okay, bro.
Saeed,
So I think we should
yeah,
wrap up this session because it's going 70 minutes and I have to go school.
okay. Saeed, but when before going, tell me, promise me when are you joining me in your group? Like
Okay.
I want to interact with people. Definitely, I would love to, post my videos, conversation videos on YouTube.
Yeah, I will upload. I will upload. And I will
Okay,
share
Saeed.
with you.
Yeah, okay. So, are you going to upload this video on your YouTube channel too?
Oh, tomorrow I will upload this video.
Oh, okay. So, we will make a conversation video later, and so that very better conversation, and definitely we will discuss about what should be the our first step when we try to learn English speaking. When we start English speaking first time. So, what should be our first step? Definitely, we would love to talk about this,
Yeah.
topic.
So, you have to take topic, then you have to come to me, and I will ask you some question. Okay, related
Of
to
course,
topic.
Sai.
Then you have to answer it.
Okay, Sai. Okay.
I am going to share you what is the topic. Topic is how can we fluent in English. Okay, you have
Of
to share your
course. Uh, of course, I will, I would love to interact on. I would love to talk about this topic. How can we achieve fluency, and what are the
okay.
steps? Definitely, we will, we will talk about our perspective, not not a very big picture perspective. We will just talk about our perspective. What are the our perspective in order to get achieve, in order to achieve fluency. That's it.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this session, and you have to you have to click like this like with a smiling photo, and then you have to send me on Skype. Okay, then I will make a thumbnail. Okay,
Okay. Yeah, exactly. I'll do.
okay. Bye. See you soon.
Bye. Bye, guys. We'll
Hmm.
talk later.